Hi, my name is Jamaya Lovee. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'll be doing a wheelchair car transfer. First, you want to make sure you always lock your brakes. And what's comfortable for me, I always make sure I put my right foot in first, get comfortable, then put my left foot in. Then I'll take off my cushion. Take off the right handlebar and put it in the passenger side of the seat. I'll unlock my chair and then take off the right wheel and put it in the back seat of my car. Then I let down the back and go ahead and take apart the left side of the chair. After that, I'll turn around and put that part in the passenger seat of my car. If you guys go to therapy, I'm sure they will show you how to do it because that's what I learned. Now getting out the car, I always make sure I take the part that's in my passenger seat out first. Then I will attach the wheels. After that, I'll turn it back around, put the brakes on, and grab the cushion and attach it. Then I'll put the handlebars on. After that, I'll take my left leg out first, transfer into my chair, and bring my right leg out the car. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe.